Trisha and I am going to unbox this mystery box. I just found it on my craft table when I was going to do some craft. So right now let's unbox it. Okay, right now I opened the mystery box. This is so cool. Like, look at this. The design of this box is also like beautiful. See? Let's just take off this label and check what's inside. Okay, right now there is a pen over here and there are some steps to grow it. Like, there's beans over here, and then the beans are like not that visible, but yeah. And we are going now. Let's check if it writes. I'm going to write something on my hand. Oh, it's a pen. So yeah. So right now let's put this aside and carry on. What we have here is a magnetic planter. Let's unbox it. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. And I think there's something else in here. It's a little lazy planting guide. Like, it's telling us how to plant it and what plants can grow indoors. Okay, this is how my magnetic planter looks like. So cute. And the pattern is really good with my favorite color, red. Okay, let's move on to the next item. What we have here is a Timber Grove Swallow. I don't know what that means, so can somebody please comment what Timber Grove Swallow means? Anyways, this is how it looks. So it's made out of glass, so that's why they added some paper over here. But anyways, this is how it looks. It's from Lazy Gardener, but it looks so good. And the writing and then like the combination of glass and wood together is really good. And this also has a little lazy planting guide with the same things we got in our last one. But okay, let's move on right now. Last but not the least one is a book. It has a sleeve, and I think there's something written on it. I'll read it for you real quick. Second life. This sleeve is living with second life. It wraps your notebook with purpose, proving that waste can be reborn. This is not just a cover, it's a second life in action. What a good text. Okay, now let's open the notebook. Oh my gosh, like, it smells so good. Like, something I don't think this is actually some like plastic type of cover. I mean, like, the texture is a little soft. Okay, let's see the first page. It's a coconut husk cover. This coconut husk notebook cover is crafted by repurposed coconut husk, a material that would otherwise go to waste. By choosing coconut over wood, we preserve trees. Very good. Congratulations. By using the Second Life notebook, you have to save 0.75 kg of CO2, 6 to 8 liters of water, saves 1 out of 200 of a tree. Okay. Anyways, this notebook cover is so good. Like, look, here and in the back over here. They're so beautiful. Like the theme, the plants, nature. I love nature. So like when they give this, it's very beautiful. Okay, this is the last thing in my mystery box. So let's just check what we got again. Small revision, by the way. First thing what we got is this pen, which is really cute and it has beans in the back. Second, we got a magnetic planter. Third, we got a timber grove solo, which I still do not know what it means. And fourth, we got a book and a sleeve for that book, which has a cool pattern that is also as beautiful as the book's pattern. Anyways, bye! See you in the next video.